Hi, I'm Andrew Tordonato, and I'm here with Design Products Company, the premier Markforged reseller located in Newington, Connecticut. So today we're going to be going over the sample kit, which demonstrates a wide array of different possibilities that you can do with the various Markforged materials. So this is basically a brake handle or a clutch lever. This particular one is made out of our Onyx material, which is chopped carbon fiber and nylon that's blended together and then gets extruded. This material here is nylon. It has a little bit more of a flexibility to it. It's extremely lightweight. And the next handle we have here is going to be nylon with continuous carbon fiber. This part here is able to withstand higher tensile strength than aluminum 6061. Our next material here is nylon with high temperature fiberglass, and that's good for high temperature environments as well as anything that takes some type of a beating. Then we have our nylon and just the fiberglass blend. So this is continuous fiberglass inside of nylon. And last but not least is the metal. So Markforged has released the Metal X printer. Currently right now this piece is made out of stainless steel 17-4. And what makes this special and a little bit different from other laser-based machines is that the process enables us to produce high-end parts that also have amazing surface finishes right off of the build. Also with this part that makes it a little bit unique on why you would want to 3D print is as the cross section here, you can actually print parts that are hollow. Here are just some sample products just showing as different elements that you can use with what parts may be. So if you still need to have a metal part, you can now use these grippers, and what happens is they don't mark the sides of the part, so there's no scratches or scrapes. So the part, once it's done being finished off CNC or wire EDM, you can then just do whatever tolerances or features you need to add, and then after that, you're good to go without having to touch up any type of finishing for the final surface finish. Another part that we have here just demonstrates the difference between Onyx material and the nylon. The nylon has more flex, and the Onyx is a little bit more stiff and ridge, but when they go together, it creates a snap fixture that does not come undone. Next, we have a ball joint here, and it's basically three parts that are built in an assembly, and it just contains the base as well as the ball inside, which does have threading in it, and also the cap. So the ball inside has threading as well as the base with threads and the cap, which enables you to, right off the machine, be able to thread parts together, tighten them down, and to lock in place. One last thing that we have to show you with the metal is that same exact part, just at a smaller size. So it's the same exact thing. This part is right off the machine, right from being sintered. And once again, it has the threading on both the base and the top. They go together seamlessly and create an amazing connection between the two that you really can't get any other way off of any laser-based machine. Finally, just to show some differences in what we offer between our industrial series and our Onyx series, or the Mark II edition, would be surface finish. So we have two samples here. We have one built at 100 microns and the other built at 50 microns. The 100 microns is great, and without comparing to the 50, would most likely be well enough for your customers. But if you need something that either goes into a molding application or anything that has to deal with the end surface finish needing to be perfect, you would want to go to the 50 microns. And that's available on any of the industrial series, which is the X3, X5, and X7 printers. So that's pretty much it for what's inside the sample kit here. And stay tuned, and we'll have other videos following up on more demonstrations.